Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful square. It's one of my friend's design and it's not a very new thing. It's actually a version of the sunburst granny square. Um, and for this one I'm gonna use my leftover yarns. That's a category 4 yarn, but not a thicker one. Okay, and with this I'm gonna use a 4.5 millimeter hook. You can use 5 millimeter hook too. One of the squares is 14 centimeters, 5.5 inches. It's very easy to make. I'm gonna show you all the stitches one by one. This tutorial will be beginner friendly and hope you like this one too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and we can start now. We will start with a magic ring, but if you're a starter, you can start with a slip knot, then make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert from this first chain, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch, then chain 3 as the first double crochet and work into this ring. Okay, make your double crochets into this ring. But it's not hard to make a magic ring. So I'm gonna show you. Just hold the yarn with your finger, wrap it around your fingers, okay, and wrap it one more time, but this time make a kind of cross. Hold the yarn with your little finger, insert the hook under this first strand, grab the second, pull it, make a twist, grab the second strand again, make a chain, and that's our magic ring. Make 2 more chains, and this will be our first double crochet. I'm gonna make 11 more. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, and 12. Now close this ring, make it tight, okay. Insert from this third chain, put this yarn on the top of your hook too. That's the tail, okay. Just grab the yarn, pull through. You can make 1 more chain, and we are gonna change the yarn. Insert from this same place and join the color. Make 2 chains. For this row we will make 3 double crochets together, okay. Count this as the first half of the 3 doubles together, okay. Yarn over, Insert same place, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert same place, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through all. Then make a chain. By the way, I'm working around these tails. I like to show you how to hide them. That's the next stitch. One, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through all, make a chain. Insert into the next. Chain 1. Just keep repeating. I cut these tails, okay, I work around it, cut them. Now I'm gonna work around this one. I made the first one. I'm gonna give this tail to the other side. It's just like sewing the tail, but easier, sorry. Work around these 2 strands together. I made 11 and that's the last one. Make a chain. I don't like to join from here. There would be a big gap here. So I'm gonna join from this first chain. We made a double crochet row, then a cluster row. Now we are gonna make a popcorn row. Insert from this 1 chain space. Join the yarn, make 3 chains. I'm gonna leave this color yellow to the right and take this to the left. I'm gonna work around them. Make 3 double crochets. Count this one as a double crochet too. It's totally 4. Just leave this loop. Insert from this 3rd chain. Grab the yarn. Pull it. Then make 2 chains. Insert into this next space. Work around the tail. If you want to secure this tail even more, you can make it like that. Yarn over and yarn over the tail. Okay. Insert into the space, grab the yarn, pull through. 4 loops on the hook. This one is coming from the tail. Yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, pull through 2. Make it one more time. Pull through 3, pull through 2. I made 4 double crochets. Insert from this first stitch, first double crochet stitch. Grab the loop, pull it. Chain 2. And into the next, make one more popcorn. Chain 2, and you will repeat this. In the end you will have 12 popcorn, and when you reach somewhere here you can hide this tail as I showed you before. I'll meet you at the end. I made the last one, then chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. Attach the next color, and we started to make the easiest parts. 1, 2, 3 chains. Into this same place, 2 chain space, we are gonna make 2 more double crochets. Chain 1. Into this next 2 chain space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Into the next, make 3. Repeat this till the end. I'll meet you there. I made the last one. You can hear my cat, but cannot see. Just a second. I'm gonna show him to you. Hello, beauty. Love you. He's so sweet. Chain 1 and join from this 3rd chain. Okay. Kiss break. You need to sit. Join the yarn from any chain space. Chain 3 as a double crochet, and into this same place we are gonna put 2 more double crochets. This will be our first corner. When we turn back here, we are gonna make 3 more double crochets. Sorry. And now we are gonna make the first side. For this I will make half double crochets. Yarn over, insert into the space, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through all. Okay, that's the half double crochet. Make 2 more. Chain 1. Into this next space, make 3 half double crochets. Chain 1, and into this next space make the corner. 3 double crochets, two chains and 3 more doubles. Chain 1. Next space make 3 half double crochets, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, chain 1 and make the corner. You are gonna repeat this till the end. I'll meet you here. In the end, I'm gonna put 3 double crochets into this first corner, chain 2 and join from this third chain. Oops. I'm gonna make it. Okay. Join with the slip stitch. And that's the last row. It's a regular granny row. 1, 2, 3 chains. That's the first double crochet. Make 2 more into the corner. Chain 1. Into this next corner, next 1 chain space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Into the next space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 doubles. Chain 1 and make the corner 3 double crochets. Two chains and 3 more double crochets. Chain 1 and keep repeating this. Meet you at the end. I'm at the end. I made 3 double crochets into this corner, then chain 2 and join with a slip stitch. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.